Ladies and gentlemen, before we go on, you know, sometimes we have foreigners in the crowd,
Yeah.
and we're using our own language, and they don't understand what we're saying. So, partner, could you please explain to them what's going on the stage right now?
Yes, if we have some foreigners around, and I believe we have,
Yes,
I'm sorry you don't understand what we're saying here because we choose to cater Filipino audience here and abroad.
that's right.
But anyway, there's nothing to worry because we paid in peso anyway. Psst, ko.
Anong pwede peso?
May pag-dollar din ang...
Pareho.
Sandali kapatid.
Bakit?
Pinapansin ako. Sir, pasensya na po kayo, but...
Ay, nakasalamin?
Yeah,
Kaibigan natin yan eh.
ganyan?
Oh, bakit? Ano napansin mo?
Yan, sa panipis. Panipis na panipis yung buko niya. Ito. Huwag mo itulak!
Sabi ko mga kaibigan natin, pinira mo pa eh.
Hindi sila tinira kanina ito ng mga... tinitira na natin.
Yung foreigner, I think we have a foreigner.
Yes. Excuse me, sir. Do you speak Tagalog or something? Where are you from? Chicago. Oh, that's good. Your daughter?
Uy! Anong daughter?
Kinilig naman siya. So, how long have you been in the Philippines? Pardon me, sir? You're still single?
She is?
How about you? You're double. Okay. So, how long have you been in the Philippines? 6 months? And how do you find the Philippines? Did you find it?
Hoy! Ano ba yung mga tanong mo? Nakakaya ka?
Mali, mali.
Sir, excuse my friend. Are you staying for good? No good.
Oh, walang yan.
Eh, puro kakalokohan eh.
Do you understand what we're saying here? Yeah? All of it? All of it? No, just a little.
Just a little.
Okay. Now, can you help me on this? I want to ask a question, okay?
Oh, English, ha?
Yeah, of course. Because
Baka mapusang ka.
he's paying dollar.
Okay.
Can you define heredity and environment for me? Can you do that for me? Can you define heredity and environment? Heredity and environment. Can you define it? Yeah. What is heredity? What you're born with, right?
Right.
How about environment?
Oh, very long.
Wala pa.
Akala ko yung sinabi niya.
Your surroundings. How about the bigger applause, gentlemen over here?
Yes.
Thank you.
Very nice definition.
But you know, sir, I have a definition, other definition about that. Okay, environment is when your son, heredity is when your son look like you, right? Environment is when your son looks like you.
Hoy! Ang nebo! Walang kalokohan eh.
I like Chicago, especially Illinois. It's a very windy place, right? Windy.
What part of Chicago are you from, sir?
What part of Chicago?
Downtown.
You're the
I thought you're from Chicago Bulls. Hindi ba kung
Okay, so aside from
I
from
have a
Chicago,
definition.
Yeah.
What's the difference of text and texting, not texting?
ano yun? Paano ba yung
Yung busy kasi kagabi, text and text eh. Ma'am, mabusa kayo ng load. Mamaya na yung makunang kayo. Oh.
So I have a friend from Chicago.
Yes, palakpakan ba natin? Did you get his name?
What's your name, sir? Sorry. Rich.
Rich.
Can you please stand up so people may see you? Okay. Come on.
Rich.
Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Can you please stand up, please?
Ayan.
Yeah, thank you. Nakakatingin na sa Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Hoy!
You can walk in.
Hoy! Hindi prayer rally ito. Ano ka ba? Magbayad na yung tao,
I
niloko
thought
mo
you
pa.
prayer rally. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm carried away. You know.
Kalokohan eh. Do we have any balikbayans tonight? Could you open the house lights, please?
Please.
Yan ba house lights?
Yeah. So do we have any balikbayans around?
Do we have? Don't be afraid. Afraid. Don't be afraid. Wala ba?
Wala tayo?
Where you first? Where you country come back from? Saan kayo galing, ma'am?
Francisco, California.
Oh, San Francisco.
Bay Area.
Yeah, the Bay Area. Okay. That's
We've been
near-
there in San Francisco.
Yeah, just 2 months ago. You've seen me. Yeah. Did you go to Ichiban? Ichiban?
Yung show tayo.
Yeah.
You saw us when we had a show in Solita's restaurant? Oh, sabi siya,
Did you see me? Actually, ako lang nakita
Ang
niyo.
gulo eh.
Did you see me there? You don't see me. Nakakita. Well, anyway, aside from San Francisco, meron pa ba tayo? The reason why we are acknowledging these people, ladies and
Yes. You know, about 4 or 5 years ago, we had series of shows in America. You know, like we had a show in Hollywood, 1204, yung formerly Bayanihan Restaurant.
Yes.
We had a show in LA, at Normandy Casino,
Yeah.
at San Francisco Solitas Restaurant. We had a show in San Diego, Santa Maria, Vallejo. Uy, alam mo sa Vallejo, may nalala ko yan.
Bakit?
Yun know, kasi mga kaibigan, one time in Vallejo, pinasyal po ako ng Filipino promoter namin.
Aha.
Sabi ko, wow pare, ang ganda pa ng Vallejo, no? Sabi niya, Porky, careful. Bakit? Kasi dito sa Vallejo, pag double L, ang pronunciation niyan, Vallejo.
Oh.
Bakit Vallejo? Kasi double L eh.
Oh, that's why.
Eh, nagre-reso ko sa hotel. Bigla akong naging yung phone. Eh, siyempre sinagot ko, heyo, who's calling? Sabi ng kausap ko, yuko-yuko. Tapos nagsiya kami sa Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
Malapit sa White House yan eh.
Of course.
Palibasa day, oh, first timer. Dala ko yung Kodak ko, takbo ko ng Washington. Kodak dito, Kodak doon. Hindi ko alam, may negrong guardian, laki ng katawan.
Wow.
Kanina pa pala ako tinitignan. Hindi nakatwist. Hey you! Sabi ko, what? Sabi ni negro, mutya pa kang dumuming.
How?
Say what? Mutya pa kang dumuming.
Ano raw?
Say what? Huwag mong tapakan yung damumin. Hukin na. Kala ko eh. Tagalog pala yun. Tapos nagsuho kami sa Australia,
Sydney.
Sydney, kung saan ginawa yung Olympic.
Yeah.
As usual, Kodak na naman. Nung naglalakad ako, nakakita ko na isang tao sa gitna ng kalye.
Aha.
Putol ang dalawang kamay, sayaw pa ng sayaw. At mukhang Pilipino.
Aha.
Sabi ko, tignan mo itong taong to. May kapansanan at lahat, ang saya-saya pa.
Oo naman.
Hindi ako nakatis, nalapitan ko. Excuse me, sir. Are you Filipino? Bakit, Brad? Brad, huwag ka magagalit, no? Sa lahat na nakita ko may kapansanan, ikaw pang ang saya-saya. Hindi ako masaya. May kapansanan na nga ako, ba't ako maging masaya? Eh, hindi ka masaya, ba't sayaw ka ng sayaw? Ba? Hindi ako sa mga sayaw, ha? Eh, ba't ganun ka ng ganun kanina pa? Eh, kasi ako, kanina pa ako makatita. Pwede ba kita? No? Sinipa ako! Eh, si Raul, pagpakamot mo na sa akin yun.
All right.